Okay, 3.3, slope of lines. We're back to Algebra 1. You've done all this work before, hopefully you can remember it. The vocabulary, slope and rate of change. Okay, your rate of change, don't forget, is your y, your rise over run, your y over your x. So rate of change, finding slopes. Okay, what else we'll be doing in this chapter, this section? We'll be doing parallel lines, perpendicular lines. So again, work you've already previously done. Okay, and again, here's your formula for the slope of your line. All right, don't forget it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And again, it's rise over run. Okay, along the corridor, up the stairs if you live in a two-story house. Let's have a look at question 1 in your textbook. You'll be given two types of questions, either like question 1 in your textbook, where you are given a graph, and what you have to do in the graph is you have to go to the points to get your coordinates, or you'll get a question that gives you the coordinates. But in this one, you are looking for the coordinates. Well, J, if you look at J, is -2, 3, and your K is 3, -2. Okay, questions like this, quote the formula. Okay, M stands for the slope, y2 minus y1, all over x2 minus x1. Okay, and then it doesn't matter which one's x1, y1, because it will all work out, but I always designate mine straight away, x1, y1, x2, y2. And again, plug your numbers in. So you've got... So for carry on, we've got y2 is -2. -3 all over 3 minus -2, so you've got -5 over 5, which is going to give you a slope of -1. Okay, so here's the slopes, classifying slopes. Positive slope, think about it when a teacher, if you've got something right and the teacher grades it, you get a check mark. Okay, that means it's positive, it's right. The -1, well, if you think about it, you get the cross going through it, so that's your negative. Okay, and then when you get a slope that's y equals, well, then it's a 0 slope, and if you've got an x equals, then it's an undefined slope. And then we come to these two types of slopes. First of all, parallel lines. Okay, and as it says, they are parallel, they must have the same slope. So if you've got one that's y equals 2x, then you could have y equals 2x plus 2 or something like that, plus 2. So these two guys got the same slope, you're good to go. Then you look at perpendicular. Okay, so don't forget, as we did before in class, M1 times M2, so the slope of the first one times the slope of the second one must equal -1, which is what they've got here. Okay, so it's the inverse reciprocal of whatever your first slope is.